Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Even with the lockdown, they have continued their internship program, and they have provided us with the best experience that we can have from our home. The virus started spreading in India, and then we received a mail that this time around it won't be possible for all the interns to actually go to Jamshedpur or Kalinganagar. So we'll have to work from our home.
So I was somehow hoping that the lockdown would be lifted for at least 2 days so that I can run to Jamshedpur and somehow manage to complete the entire internship from there.
Even with the lockdown, they have continued their internship program, and they have provided us with the best experience that we can have from our home.
Tata Steel, in fact, they encouraged other people to join in the internship as well. They took in more people than they had actually planned.
In the field of operations, it is very important to actually go to the site and observe the processes to get a better understanding. And secondly, my project involves a lot of data. So getting data during the lockdown has been a challenge for me because everyone in the procurement division is actually very busy because of the lockdown.
If it were a normal case, I would have gone to the plant, seen what are the different products that they are making, see what kind of packaging that is being done, and then make a supply chain system so that it is suitable for all the companies.
First few weeks were a little bit problematic, but after that, Tata Steel addressed the issue and they had us sign the NDA agreement. And after that, we got access to all the data, and we were connected to all the people, all the right people who could help us out in getting the data.
You are entering a large space to figure out, and the sense making of the organization gets very difficult when you're physically present itself. Now you're not physically present, so it might seem extremely isolated for many of you. Don't worry about it at all. Okay, just go along and connect with a small group of people. Don't expect to connect with the whole world that is called Tata Steel. It will not happen till we open up and have different modes of working, which will come out soon.
Project is to develop a inventory dashboard for Tata Steel Kalinganagar, and the problem is that currently Tata Steel does not have a single platform to see get the overall view of inventory, and the deliverable of the project involves creating a single stop platform that provides all this data that will help in decision making, and also it should have the ability to forecast the future levels.
So I have to see the supply chain scenario that's prevalent in the Tata Steel Group companies and then try to find out a better way or try to find out the way in which all the companies of Tata Steel Group can come in a synergized format and then do an optimized supply chain management.
Actually, my guide has been very supportive of me, and she has guided me throughout the project. And even in the first meeting, she told me clearly that she did not want to impose any ideas on me, and she was very open to my ideas.
We are always in a in a impression कि intern आएंगे, आसपास घूमेंगे, काम करेंगे, पूछेंगे, but that didn't happen. So it's like you have to force them to go to user and ask them, but that didn't happen. I was really in a fix कि इसको किया कैसे जाए, and more importantly, he doesn't have any SAP access to us. And what the project he was working, it was a live project. So material will come, it will taken into GR and then that will reflected somewhere. So I gave him some data, we had some record. So somehow he came out with a very beautiful thing, and his outcome is really going to help us out in our future decision making process. But yes, it was tough. He has to wait a lot. I lost my patience in between. he had to knock to many doors. मुझे ये data दीजिए, वो data दे दीजिए. And I asked him, कि Udit, and this is the problem with you. How about others? No, ma'am, everybody has the same problem. So it was tough, but not impossible.
I think first thing that I learned is to be patient and perseverant. And apart from that is keep enhancing your skills. I think that even after, if the lockdown ends, the classes will move online for at least a couple of months. Even the work for most of the companies might shift to work from home. So I think this internship will be very handy in that also, because you're getting used to working from home, and this might just be the future for a lot of people.